Hello adventurers, what is up? Let me come a little closer because you guys probably can't hear me. Let's also turn the spots down like that so you guys can see my beautiful face. I have a hat on today because my hair is getting long and I really need to cut. But before we open up this bad boy, I quickly just want to say I apologize if the audio of the camera is not as good. I don't have this microphone over here set up to record my audio, and I'm still trying to figure out this camera. So for right now, we'll just have to deal with that. Now, of course, I don't know if it will record all of this or if I'm gonna have to stop and then continue. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. So I got this package, and the reason I left it in here is because I already knew that what you guys were gonna see was already gonna be shown. So we're gonna open it up and show you guys. Now, I got this on Amazon for pretty cheap. I got it used, so just compare to that this is used. But I decided that it's time to upgrade our audio equipment. Now, with my audio equipment, I've always, just used this small little interface. Let me go show you what I got before I unbox this and show you guys this. Let me show you guys what I did. I've been using this thing right here. It's like $100, I think, and it's pretty good. It's used for if you want to use like a microphone and stuff, and you can adjust the monitor and audio stuff. But I decided to upgrade it and go with something a little more with ports and adjustments that I can do on the side is opened, right? Once I get that. So now that we have this side open, to be honest, this doesn't even look like it's been used. So I got some stuff there. And pull this out some more here. Alright. Yeah, this. Alright, so before we get into here, let's see what came into the little thing here. Alright, so before we do, let's see. So we got the power brick here. Alright. So, oh, what was that? I just saw something like, maybe it was this, I don't know. So we have this little thing. We got the power brick, was a cool little brick that plugs into the thing, and then this plugs into the interface right here. So enough of this. I know, I have a little stool, you guys can see it here, it says my name. I had that since I was a kid, so I'm using that to open it. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it. You guys will probably see my dirty clothes. I know. My office is really messy, and I need to do some laundry and stuff, I know. But anyways, so here is the interface itself. It turns on and off up here. This is where it plugs into the thing. Now I could put my USB thing into here, which plugs into, let me show it so you guys can see, plug my USB thing that, was hooked up to this, and I can plug it into my computer. Now I have no clue what this all is, but it has some presets for audio recordings, and then you have like your gain, your composer, whatever you want to call these things. Like I said, I'm not an expert about this. I'm still learning about this camera that I have over here. And then we got a bunch of like level stuff and stuff and all about that. So we can mess around with it. And also it has like different lines. So if I hit like live streaming, I got a couple of people I could just be like lined, 1 and 2, and then those will all be ready to play. So I think what we're gonna go do real quick is I'm gonna set this up, and then we'll do some audio stuff, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys in the audio side. Alright, we got it all set up. Hopefully you guys can hear me. You guys can see my coffee right there. Let me move my microphone real quick, a little bit out of the way. So, we have this all set up. So this is what it looks like after it's all set up. Let me focus it a little better. I'm going to turn this thing on, and then we'll do some audio looks and testing and stuff, the cool stuff. So, on the back here, where my hand is showing, that is where the switch is right now. So it should power up like this. Now, when you guys power it up, that is the FX, that's the effects you can do. Oh, I want it to... No, I want it to 1. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you all power up. Now, on the certain mics that you have, so I have my mic set up right here. So here's the microphone I use. This microphone right here actually needs an external power source. So that's where that red brick was coming through. This thing is going through behind my computer and plugged into here. So that's what this is right now. So this is currently on. Now, if I were to go into Audacity right now, my mic will not be able to pick up. So if we were, now it should pick up. So if I'm talking like I am right now, I'm right next to my mic, you should see this little bar thing move. Since it's not moving, what we need to do is turn on this button. So once that button is turned on, you can see that this is starting to move because I'm talking and it's picking up. So if I tap my microphone, you guys can see that's moving. So that's all of that stuff. Now, of course, this is the composer gain bar. This is a high, a mid, a low, and then this is like an FX thing you can dink around with. This is a pan, and then this is the peak, the level that picks up the microphone. So if I have that all up to there, so since I have my microphone all set up through there, I want to make sure that. And also, sorry if my camera angle is kind of bad or messed up. I'm also trying to hold and talk about this because my stand that I actually have for holding my camera is kind of broke, so I don't want to jerry rig that and all mess it up around. It took me a while to actually figure this out, and if I'm right, if I turn off this, I don't think that actually does anything. It took me actually a while to freaking get this thing to work. There were some drives and stuff to do, but I wanted to quickly show you guys that you also want to make sure this button is down because that will turn into the USB. If you have that up, it'll do it in the analog, so if I would just have it plugged into like a guitar or something like that. And then I can adjust with my FX, my level of stereo, and then my monitor for phones and stuff, and I can hook up lines, so I can hook up headphones, I can hook up amps, I can hook up anything else. So that's all set up there. I know exactly that I went through 20 different videos to actually watch this. So now that we have this all set up and turned on, I'm going to go over and we're going to do some audio stuff. So I'll see you guys in the audio. If we press record, you guys can see that now we also are recording into stereo. So as you guys can see, I'm talking right now, and you guys can see that So we can add some more composition into it if we want. We can add some more gain into it, see if that picks up more. We can also turn up the stereo so it picks up my mic a little harder. We can also turn up the stereo mute. And then we can turn up the leveling, maybe some FX, maybe want to add some more composition to it. We can turn up the high and the mid and the low. I'm just moving everything up to see what I can do. Now I'm gonna try the effects, see if there is an effect that I can get. So let's go with let's try like a 4, not a 5, I guess, because I guess that. So let's bring this up. Let's turn this on. So I'm not sure if this will be picking up the FX. So right now I have an FX on. Now I'm not sure if it'll be picking up, but you guys can see it's got to be picking up something, or I turned on something where it's actually picking up my mic a whole lot better or something. So I turned on this. So if I turn this button off, this should go back to what it was working before. There still might be a little gain and stuff because I moved some stuff up and peaking and stuff. So you can see as I'm adjusting stuff, that it is changing actual in mic. Like I said, I'm not sure if the FX works. I did watch 20 to 10 different videos on how to get the actual audio mixer to work. And let's just say we had a ton of struggles with that, and I could not actually find one. So one video I watched, they did say the FX he needed to keep downloading stuff or getting certain stuff to work. So I'm not sure if the FX is actually working. If we turn it off, we can also see. I'm actually not sure unless it actually, so I'm going to turn some stuff down here because it's probably going to be like kind of a little loud here. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. As I said, stuff might be changed around. Stuff might sound better. I won't know actually until I have it, because I don't actually have my headphones that I'm wearing right now hooked up to this. I still have it hooked up to my computer because it's... So I got this all set up. Hopefully we'll find out what the mic sounds like. Like I said, I'm going to be messing around with settings, messing around with audio stuff. I did do a live stream recently, and it sounded pretty crisp and clear, and I did... Oh, hello there. And I did get it. And all else fails, we can always try a different mic out. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be messing around, trying to get the best settings, trying to get the best audio and stuff. Let me also go back to what I had it on, and we can see if that also changes the thing. So let's turn back on the FX. So that is how this thing works. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if we'll see if the effects work. I will maybe put something on there that did. So let me know if you guys enjoy it. I want to do more unboxing stuff too. So let me know some other stuff you guys want to see unboxing. I would have unboxed my camera that you guys have seen too with my beautiful face, but I didn't have the audio or any of the setup ready, so sorry about that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.